Congratulations on taking a leap of faith and starting your own business. You may have a lot of questions, but that's to be expected. I'm here to give you some guidance to jumpstart your journey to entrepreneurship. Hi, my name is Gwendolyn. I am a business coach and educator. Like you, I once was a newbie to entrepreneurship. With 30 years experience as a business owner and manager in the for-profit and nonprofit sectors, I've learned a thing or two. My passion is to share my experiences with others to help them reach their goals. I recently published a content and workbook entitled Game Changer, a comprehensive guide to small business structure management and funding. The content book goes into more detail on the topics I'll discuss in this video. I'll be sure to post a link in the description. So, let's dive into today's content. In this video, I'll briefly cover the task every new business owner needs to address to establish. I also cover this information and more in my free course, Game Changer, Small Biz Guide. So, let's get started. Step 1. Define your niche. In order to provide a service to consumers, you must hone in on your niche. A niche is a specialized segment of the market focused on a specific audience, need, or interest. It's essentially a small, well-defined area where a product, service, or brand can stand out and serve a targeted group more effectively than broader competitors. For example, organic dog treats for small breeds is a niche within the pet food industry. This will take some thought and may take a little time. You don't want to do the same thing another business is doing. Ask yourself, what makes my services or products stand out from the rest? Step 2. Business identity. Marketing your business requires you to define it with a unique name, slogan, logo, and brand. Make sure to thoroughly research before selecting your name, slogan, brand, logo, and trademarks. Failing to do so could expose you to legal action that threatens your personal assets and your business, and may result in both criminal and civil penalties. Step 3. Business plan. Often thought of an unnecessary suggestion, it is a vital part of one's business. Its importance shouldn't be underestimated. A business plan is a structured document that outlines your business idea, goals, and the strategy you'll use to achieve them. Think of it as both a roadmap for your operations and a pitch to potential investors, lenders, or partners. Essentially, it is the blueprint of the business. It helps explain your business to investors and board members. Let's take a brief break. Take a couple of deep breaths and stretch. Good. Now, we're ready to proceed. Before we jump back into the video, if you feel this video is beneficial to you, please like, leave a comment, share with someone, and subscribe. Step 4. Business email. It's important to take all the necessary steps to make your business both successful and professional. One of those steps is setting up a custom business email address that ends in .com, .net, or .org for nonprofits. Avoid using free personal email domains such as yahoo.com, gmail.com, or ymail.com, as they can appear less professional and may affect credibility. Registering a domain for your business email comes with a small annual cost, but it's a worthwhile investment in building trust with clients, partners, and investors. Step 5. Your business address. Starting out, you may not have a brick-and-mortar store, but it's important to establish your business as separate from your personal domicile. This separation not only enhances your professional image, but also helps protect your privacy and personal assets. You can accomplish this by securing a virtual business address, PO box, or co-working space address to use for official correspondence and public listings instead of your home address. Step 6. Business phone number. It's important to have a dedicated business phone number separate from your personal line. This not only creates a more professional image, but also helps you manage calls, voicemails, and texts specifically for your business. You can use services such as Google Voice, Grasshopper, or a VoIP provider to set up a professional number that can be forwarded to your cell phone. You will also need to list your business phone number in the phone directory, as this helps solidify your business's legitimacy and makes it easier for customers to find and contact you. A separate business number also adds a layer of privacy and makes it easier to track customer interactions. Step 7. Business website. A business website is vital for establishing your presence, generating sales, and collecting customer feedback. It serves as a 24/7 storefront and communication hub for your audience. There are many inexpensive options and free YouTube tutorials to help you build a professional site. If you prefer something simpler, you can start with a single landing page to showcase your products, services, and contact information. You could also have one built for you through affordable freelance platforms such as Fiverr. Step 8. Legal forms. To legally establish your business, you will need essential documents such as bylaws, articles of organization, and an EIN certificate. These can be created yourself using resources like formswift.com or LegalZoom. I have found FormSwift to be easier to navigate. Ensure all documents contain accurate and up-to-date contact information. Some forms may require notarization. Check your state's specific requirements, as they can vary from state to state. If you're still in doubt, solicit the services of a qualified business attorney. Step 9. Employer Identification Number, or EIN. EIN, Employer Identification Number. A unique 9-digit number issued by the IRS to identify your business for tax purposes. It functions like a social security number for your business and is required for activities such as hiring employees, opening a business bank account, and filing taxes. You can file this number by visiting www.irs.gov. Again, be sure to input information incorrectly. After completing all pages of the EIN application, download a copy of your certificate. It will be emailed to you. Print this document because you will need it to open your business bank account. You will also need to select a NAICS code, www.nics.com, to classify your business. Be sure to read the clarifiers and subcategories correctly to accurately classify your business. Make note of your classification code, because you will need it to register your business with the state. The Secretary of State and IRS are not linked. Step 10. Business registration. The Secretary of State is a government official responsible for overseeing and maintaining public records, business registrations, and official state documents. You need to register with the state to legally operate your business. You will need to upload your articles of organization and/or bylaws. You could also choose to use a registering agent to register your business. Step 11. Business credit monitoring. Dun & Bradstreet, DNB, is a leading provider of business credit reports and risk insights. Best known for its DUNS number, which helps establish credibility and access funding or contracts. It's free to sign up. Be sure your business information is consistent with the information on IRS and Secretary of State. Creditors will cross-reference this information to vet your business and approve or disapprove you for business credit. Step 12. Establish business banking accounts. You will need to further establish your business by opening business bank accounts. You will need to be registered with the Secretary of State first. Banks may also require a copy of your EIN, articles of organization, and/or company bylaws. You will need multiple business bank accounts, depending on your industry. Every business should have at least 3 accounts: operations, taxes, expense, payroll, and savings. If you are operating a logistics company, you will also need a fuel account. Step 13. Establishing business trade lines. After you have legally established your business, you can begin establishing lines of business credit. There are 4 tiers of business credit you'll need to accomplish. Begin with net 30 accounts. The goal is to eventually be able to apply for credit with your EIN instead of being the personal guarantor. I go more in detail about the tiers to establishing business credit in my book, Game Changers. Step 14. Establishing business relationships. As an entrepreneur, strong connections is vital to the sustainability of your business. Join the Chamber of Commerce, network with local businesses, and travel to out-of-town workshops. Be sure to establish a healthy relationship with your banker. They will be able to give you information on funding opportunities, money management, and growth potential for your business. I know that establishing a business can be a challenging task, but if done correctly, the benefits greatly outweigh the risks. There is a lot to take into consideration, but with guidance, I'm sure you'll master the task. I'm gifting a free business quick start guide for listening to this video in its entirety. It's located under the free resources tab in my free community. I have included a link in the description. I've also included a link for my content and workbook, Game Changers, a comprehensive guide to small business structure management and funding. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.